Hey guys, it's Amelia. 안녕하세요. 저는 Amelia입니다. 근데 저는 조종사 아니에요. I'm sorry I haven't posted in a couple days. I just graduated college and so I had to move out of my apartment and it's been very busy this week. But BTS Festa is happening now! So I'm gonna have a lot of videos coming up, so look forward to them. I didn't realize they were actually gonna post a video today, so I'm very excited. It is the Airplane Part 2 summer version. Let's watch! Yeah! Yeah, JK! This is so long ago, 2018. JK with the pink hair. Who's that in the back with the blue floaty? Oh my god, is that Suga smacking his butt? Oh shit, oh it's Tay with the blue shirt. Shooting star. Sky high, sky fly, sky dome. Same shot, same. What is going on? Why did they film that? Just as like a Bangtan bomb, I guess. Now they're using it as Festa. What? J-Hope and Tay in the back! So much is happening. We're going from London to Cali, London to Paris. I'm mariachi, I'm mariachi, I'm mariachi. This is so ridiculous. I'm mariachi, I'm mariachi, I'm mariachi, I'm mariachi. Oh my god. They're literally just going crazy. Oh, J-Hope, let go. The little wolf. I like his shirt, half blue, half white. I tried to do that one time. It looked like this. Now they're sort of doing dance. Cute. Airplane mode. I don't know. Trig's like, please let me go. I don't know. Dude. Yeah. We're going from London to city, London to Paris. He's got tattoos on his hand. It's a butterfly. That's so cute. A mariachi. Is that a chair? What is going on? Namjoon, why? A mariachi. Oh my god, this is like literal insanity. Alright, I mean, great way to start off Festa, let's go. What a mess. Thanks for watching, guys, bye!